Hi, I'm gonna give you a short view of my small gym, and after that I will do a couple of sets from CC. I will do a pistol with 5 kilos extra and an assisted one arm pull up. So here we go. My kettlebells. I have one more 16 kilos. It's leaned out. A barbell. My hanging squat rack hangs from the ceiling. Some weights, ropes, and a homemade kettlebell. One of my ring systems, and the other one for the pull-ups. And I have my homemade sleigh made from the top of a wheelbarrow. Very good and very cheap. There's some cement, about 25 kilos of cement in there. And over here I have some chains, 10 kilos, 10 kilos, and a bag with 20 kilos of chains. This is all.